Scorpio. This is your channel messages for the 25th. I keep saying channel messages. I haven't grown out of it yet. This is your pick a card reading for the 25th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Scorpio, this is your channel. Searching. Scorpio, I'm asking something. Hey boy, the tattoo look good the way you do it. Your own them ever unique. How them want do the same style like me. We call them full of a she monkey. Them have something at tattoo. People I open up. And anytime I walk, you sing loud like your signs don't love. Coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching. Now we found love in all these crayons. Searching, coloring this life like it's all in crayons. Searching, now we found love in all. Hey girl, where you come from? Just a magazine. Front page, Bungie 14. Looking at me, you feel pleased. Just do it like dancehall queen. And a dress McCarnelia go use. You think don't rough. And anytime you walk, you sing loud like your signs don't love. I coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. Searching, coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. I don't know what's happening, but it seems like it's a color affair. I don't know what's happening. I'm getting sending this life like it's all in crayon. Searching. And remember people, unlike my dirty say French teacher at Saint Lacorde, they're in Quebec, unlike her telling her students not to dream in color. Adi, you say we can't lie. You make me dream in color and then you don't call me back. Adi will tell you there is color in this life. Whether that's sex, whether that's dancing, or whether that's just living your life. Coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. And you know what, let me just say this for the record. We do use the white crayon. I know you feel like a white boy. I know you feel like you're just a white boy. You're not just a white boy. You're an island boy from an island world in an island dream with the island girl. Cause I'm an island girl with the island ting and island music. And this island, he's new. When you think about the island boys, yo, shut the fuck up, man. These niggas don't know shit, man. He's new. What are you gonna do about the cannabis extraction? Man, what the fuck you talking about, nigga? Shut the fuck up, nigga. He's new. Because I'm an island girl. Okay, so I'm getting, if colors are not in the life, if when you kiss them you don't feel colors, if when colors are not extruding from your eyes like you're under mushrooms, then he's not the one. I'm getting color in this life like it's all in crayons. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your pick a card reading. Go ahead and select the card that you feel most drawn to, okay? If this was your first card, Scorpio, you have selected the Gemini card, the same card and banned me over, Lord Jesus. You have selected the Lovers card, okay? So I'm getting love. Yeah, coloring this life like, look how much colors is on it. Look how much colors is on it. So much colors. I'm getting colors in this life like it's all in crayons, okay? Or I'm getting someone is very happy, them very laughy, them jokey. They're not serious. They're not the serious alpha male. They're not the type of man who, oh, you'll never see them smile. I'm getting someone's very jokey. Hard to get upset, but when them get upset, it's very scary. Someone's very attentive, okay? I don't know what you heard about me. I know you can't get $1 out of me. And right now, first we can see, I ain't fucking with you unless you are SIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but I'm gonna take every dollar out of you. And right now, first we can see, cause he's a motherfucking SIMP. If he's not a simp, I don't want it. Why would I want it, okay? So yeah, Gemini, the Lovers card. You might hear talking in the background, we cannot stop it. Okay, great. So Gemini Lover's card, we also have the Hermit. Now, even though color is in this life, me getting you want to hide it. You don't want anybody to know who you actually with. Maybe you're hiding this person, or me getting them can't leave your side. I'm getting this is the most vibrant you ever felt. Virgo, where did you no, not the Virgo. Bring Scorpio. Okay, so you're dealing with a Virgo and Gemini. So I'm getting you want to keep the relationship private. That's okay. We have 6 of Pentacles. I'm getting something about somebody want matching tattoos. Do not do that. If them want tattoo for them name on you, great. If you want me mad enough and tattoo their name on you, great. You're not getting matching tattoos. Don't do that. The Bible tells you that tattoos are abomination. And even though they are abomination, why you're gonna waste it that way? And you color in this life like it's so man, I'm telling you, for an abomination, I'm telling you, that track is spitting mad fire, okay? We also have a Sun card. A Leo, something about a baby. We're getting somebody I beg a baby out of you. Like, please, I'm begging you. We have a 6 of Cups, you're begging. We have a Knight of Wands, and we have the 3 of Wands. The problem is somebody, as usual, which is almost every relationship, somebody don't want to raise a child with you. Somebody want to have a reason to can come back to you and them don't want to be with you. Because Knight of Wands, someone can't keep them in them pants. And them always gone, foreign country, or them gone somewhere, I don't know where. This talking starts, I cannot stop it. Well, actually I can, let me pause it and come back. Okay, we're gonna try this again, all right? Okay, so the Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands. I'm getting, him can't keep him thing in him pants. So if somebody leave you, they're gonna leave you with a babe. I don't know why I have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards for hear the same thing. The problem is 2 packs of sugar, and they're gonna make you hide the pregnancy. You're gonna hide the pregnancy will be hidden. You're not gonna see them a lot. You might see them, I don't know, 66 here. Yeah, I'm getting somebody solely get you pregnant. So what, when you're pregnant, them can have sex with somebody else and then come back to you. Because you got a child. That's the only color them want. They want the color of having a blended family. An Asian girl, a Chinese girl. Asian and Chinese may be the same. Okay, an Indian girl and maybe an island girl with the island baby. Okay, let's go ahead into your second card. Okay, Scorpio, I think it's pretty clear that you may be the last reading today because of the space confinement. It ain't easy being homeless, trying to run a YouTube channel. People think I'm mad. Ha! Why the fuck you running a YouTube channel and you homeless? You're supposed to be trying to look for work, trying to get a way out. Bitch, I can follow my dreams. I have nothing to lose. I'm homeless. Some people try to chase their dreams and become homeless. Some people are like, I can't chase my dreams. I'm going to be homeless. I'm already homeless. It's the perfect foundation to chase dreams. Okay, anyways, so let's go back to your pick a card. Now, if your second card was this one, you have the Libra card. Okay, so you have the Justice card. The Justice card rules partnerships and relationships. Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead and go into your tarot for that. So we first card out, we have the 5 of Cups. So I'm getting disappointed news, either by the justice system or disappointed news when it comes down to a divorce. You're not getting divorced. Apparently you were never married. Or I'm getting something don't go your way in court. You go a total different way. Maybe this is something against a Libra. The Libra might have to go to court for FaceTime about something they did in the past when it comes down to this relationship. Something happened between you and this girl in the past. I'm getting you for answer feet at court now. And the court is not going to slap you on your wrist. We have the Queen of Cups. Okay, so it could be this woman. I'm getting you and this woman used to be together when you used to be in a relationship. Maybe one was common law, maybe one was married, but I'm getting, okay, I'm kind of seeing that you're going to have to pay this woman money. All money, Justice card, 5 of Cups, Queen of Cups, you have to pay her all the money. I feel like you hire a private investigator to watch somebody and it came up that they were not doing anything, but waiting on you to go on your fucking knees and beg for forgiveness. So since you didn't do that, you're going to have to pay all the money, see it? The hangman, yep, that's what you get. You pay money if you don't want to pay ego. Another card out is we have the 4 of Swords. Somebody might play sick or say them dead. Somebody might play sick just to get out of this. But me getting for a while, the legal system was on this person's side. But somebody start watch the other person. And then I say, but everything seemed fine. Me getting you have to pay all the money. You might claim bankruptcy, literally, or you might pretend say you don't have no money. We have the Ace of Wands, and we have the Three of... You do have money though. You have money for prostitutes. You have money for people you want to sleep with. The Lover's card, Three of Cups. I'm getting you. Me getting that's why she... Okay, so she left you because you don't want two women. She tell you say over my dead body or over your dead. And apparently, your dick didn't die, but you still got the two women from somewhere else. You see, since you get to have sex and do what you want to do sexually, you have to give her all the money. Had you divorced, she never didn't really deal with nobody, you never really deal with nobody, but you just have sex and go around, then you might could have called it quits. But if you divorce she, then you use the money in a household for another woman or two other women, you have to give her all the money. She's entitled to money. You cannot marry her, divorce her, don't give her all the money, and then take on that responsibility on someone else that you're not married to. The government 311 will make sure, IIRC will make sure that all the money will be directly deposited right away. Okay. Your final card out is the Knight of Swords. Okay? So I'm dealing with fast communication. I'm getting, I need something for hurry up. You're waiting on your passports. Like how you know which people are waiting for passports? I said, thank God, I do my PR earlier this year. I got it expedited, right? I may never have the money for the citizenship, so I don't have no Canadian passport. The only passport I have in my name is a Jamaican passport, right? Okay, great. How much people are waiting on them passports? They want to travel for Christmas. You better turn a Canada. You better celebrate with judo. So I'm getting you wait on something. I'm getting you run out of time. Yeah, literally you're running out of time. You are running out of time. I'm getting something to move too fast. Are you? I'm getting them need to hurry up and deliver something. Something need to be delivered. I'm getting you outside. Look for the mailbox. Like you're outside just looking on the mail to come. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. Something from your job or opportunity. This could also be a visa. You're getting a visa approved and you need to be somewhere fast, or you need to be somewhere before you miss this event. We have the King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. We have a Star card. It's either you're going to meet this man abroad, the man will fly you out, or something about this man will make you a celebrity. We have the Three of Pentacles again, 33. So I'm getting you and him are going to business only. You are the talent, you are the star. That's what your job is, and him are going to do behind the scenes. Or him gonna put you on because he has the connections. The final card here is a Four of Pentacles. You're not gonna pay nothing. Him gonna tell you about this business, and all him want you do is say yes, I agree and I believe in it. Him gonna fund everything. Him gonna fly you out. But me getting there's a deadline that has to be met. So something need to move faster. I don't know if 33 Three of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles is me and you do the same job. So I'm getting the guy who like you, him work online, him work on YouTube, social media, him do podcasts, him do something where him voice, him opinions. Maybe somebody want you to stop voice and just start to be, they want you to be a fucking figurine. They want you to be a mannequin. Or I'm getting this is a fashion designer. So I'm getting you're very comfortable with people to see you nude, almost naked. I'm getting a fashion designer. A fashion designer wants to go into business with you. Him gonna sew the clothes and you're gonna wear the clothes. You don't have to pay for nothing. That's why she's naked. Him gonna clothe you. This seems great. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it here. Let me get some of these cards and then we are nous sommes finis. Nous avons fini. Underrated. Yeah, I'm getting is an upcoming fashion designer. Somebody feel like the clothes would look great on you, or you have a model body, you have a petite body. I am the game. I also wear sizes 0, 0, 0, 2, and 4. In small. Meditation. I will never get fat. So any type of witchcraft I try to make me gain weight, sweetie, it's only gonna make your pussy bigger. I can't get I know how to get fat. Me know how if I put on little weight or swell up, I know how to do it myself. But if you're trying to do witchcraft to make me get fat, sweetie, you should do witchcraft to buy your happiness. Because you're gonna be so mad. when I'm weighing 115 pounds in your motherfucking face, looking like a fucking child. We have Virgo. That wasn't Virgo's plan. I was supposed to forever be a child. And curse. You cursed me to be a child. I'm an adult. I know how to do adult stuff. I know how to cook and clean and pay taxes. I know how to do that. I'm not a child. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.